Hi, Canva besties. We have finally got what we've been asking for forever. Page break on Docs. Look at these. You can actually tell when the page stops and starts. It's freaking awesome. Let me show you how to do it. So I'm going to head over here to Canva and I'm going to go into my front page right here and I'm going to pull in a new doc. So I'm going to hit Docs and now I have a new doc I started. And as you can see, it's just that one page that goes on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever if you put anything on it. It'll just keep going forever and ever. So let me go up into here. I am going to pull up this right here. I think one of these, this one is the one that I used earlier. I will just do that. And as you can see, it just goes on forever. There's no page breaks whatsoever. You don't know where it starts, where it stops. Ugh. All right, so let's fix that. So I'm going to go backwards here, get that one off, and we're back to that single page. I'm going over to File, and if you look right here under File, Page Setup. So for me, I use regular print paper 8.5 by 11, so that's going to be my standard that I use. So I'm going to put that letter in there like so, and now you're only going to see the one page, but wait till I put the stuff in there. Wait. Here we go. Page breaks. Look, each page is broken up. Oh my goodness, it is so awesome, so awesome, so awesome. Yay! Finally. I hope this will help anybody else that needs it. And let's say we're just going to go in here and blah 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 blah. Let's enter. There we go. New page. Look, new page, page break. So I know when I'm typing or putting anything in, when I go down, it'll break that page just like in Word or anything else. It is amazing. Thank you, Canva. It took forever, but we're finally glad we got this feature. It is awesome. Thank you again, Canva. Thank you guys for stopping by. I love you, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.